Hi, we're glad you're here. We think this series of videos will help you understand the positives and negatives of a reverse mortgage. We know a reverse mortgage isn't right for everyone, but for many it is the perfect solution. Once you watch the videos, we believe you'll have a better understanding of reverse mortgages and be able to make an educated decision about what's best for you.
Hello. Today we're going to address whether you retain ownership of your house if you do a reverse mortgage. The answer is yes, you still own your home. The title stays in your name and you still remain on the deed. The bank does not get your house. But let's talk about title for a moment. When you do a reverse mortgage, only a person 62 or older can be on the title. So if one spouse was under 62, he or she would have to come off the title. The good news is that that doesn't change his or her effective ownership of the house. But the bad news is the loan will come due when the person over 62 permanently leaves the house. That's different than when the last surviving spouse leaves the house.
What happens if the house is in a family trust?
Ginge, that's a very good question. I can see that inquisitive mind working as always.
I'm just trying to keep up with you.
Well, if the house is in a trust, in most states the house can stay in the trust. A notable exception is Texas, where the deed has to be put into the individual's names.
One other thing that is worth covering is that when the last surviving spouse dies, the house does not go to the bank. If you will, follow me on this. The house does not go to the bank when the last surviving spouse dies, but rather your estate's given effectively up to 12 months to sell the house, and from the sale, the reverse mortgage is paid off. What's left goes to the kids. If the house were not worth what's owed against it, your estate would have the option to give the house to the bank.
So to summarize, when you do a reverse mortgage, you always retain ownership of your house. You always remain on the deed, and the bank doesn't get the house when the last surviving spouse dies. That's the bottom line.
Thanks for watching. We hope this video answered some of your questions. You may have more. So please call us anytime. We'd love to help you understand by educating you on reverse mortgages. To get a better understanding of the positive and negatives of a reverse mortgage, you can view the entire series of free videos at rmeducator.com. We hope to see you there.